Yes guys, this is another video on how you can hard reset Camon 30 phone. You can check the model and check the appearance to see it well. As you see, it's Camon 30. So what you can do on this, you can see the phone is on, but when you want to hard reset this phone, you have to first put this phone off before doing anything. When it doesn't go off, you force it by pressing volume down and power button all together at the same time, and the phone will go off. As you can see, it's going off. So here you press power button and volume up button all together at the same time. When you see the Tecno screen showing up, you let go power button and keep on pressing volume up button. Then when you see this no command prompt, you press again volume up and power button at the same time as you release. As you can see, when it doesn't respond, you click as you release after it will respond. Then here you use volume down to select wipe data and factory reset. Then you click power button to select, volume down to scroll down. Here you reboot the phone to show that it has already formatted, and we wait for the phone to reboot. Here it stays long to reboot and format all the things within the phone. I've tried to speed up the video so that it doesn't take too long to be done. Here you see it's already being formatted. Now you start a setup wizard of this phone like your normal phone. Here you select the country region where you are so that you can click continue. Click next. Here insert SIM card, no need, you can click skip. Here there is no FRP, you just click skip. You accept terms and conditions. Here on Google services you accept. For password you can set it later. Then here you select the system navigation, the which you want to use. Then you click next. As you can see, Hey OS. Then you click to start the phone. As you can see, it's already formatted very well, and you can use it the way you want. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more tech videos to be helped out.